Earn more today with this great affiliate marketing advice. Affiliate marketing can be a pretty exciting business move if you know what you can expect from working with other businesses through an affiliate program. It can be a great situation for you if you can do it successfully. To ensure that this happens, try looking at the tips that are listed below. One way to increase revenue from your affiliate marketing programs is to incorporate them into the email communication that you have with faithful customers. If you send out regular newsletters or special offers via email, include a link to your affiliate's products. This is an unobtrusive way to increase the exposure your affiliates get to your customers and thus your potential profits. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Always make sure to check on a company's conversion numbers before you decide to work as an affiliate for them. Many new marketers are sold on bright and colorful websites and fail to check the sales conversion numbers. If the company is not turning a lot of visitors into customers, this means no commissions for you. A lot of successful affiliate marketers hold question and answer sessions with themselves in order to get ahead in the highly competitive marketplace. You should examine your market and then ask questions on how it could be improved. Of course, then you must work to provide the answers and to improve the market. Never link from your site to any spammers or blacklisted sites. Doing so will not only drop your rankings like a stone, but it also increases the chances that the search engine crawler will consider you a spammer as well, resulting in your site becoming blacklisted. Check your link-ups carefully to prevent this. Affiliate marketing is a niche market that allows you to make money using the internet. If you have access to a computer regularly, have online capabilities, can follow simple directions, and want to make money in your spare time, affiliate marketing is for you. Companies are more than happy for the advertisement. Affiliate marketing really is pretty exciting. There is so much to do and expect from working with an affiliate program in an attempt to help promote your business. That's why you need to stay focused and keep going. These tips contained advice that will be beneficial to you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.